BENF stock analysis and price predictions is Beneficient stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space having done 43,000 videos, and I'm not even exaggerating. It's all of my 43,000 videos, and it's all documented on my YouTube channel. How this looked like is I had a bearish bias, went down, then sort of pumped up out of nowhere. Just, bro, Beneficient ticker is just pain in the ass, honestly. Like, I'm not even trying to be the bad guy here. It's just the truth. Like, it tapped into some sort of supply zone, and then here, only if I see some sort of a confirmation, I'm looking to take it further down. But like, randomly selling will just not be happening. Very simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime is just I'm waiting for rules to be met. And other than that, I'll continue to keep you updated. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description. Really nothing else that I'll be adding here. So goodbye and enjoy. See you.